Okay. So for the first one again, you're going to use a line because we have 4 quadrants. So to get more math, change it to a line. First thing you do is plot your y-intercept at -4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Draw a dot. And then since your slope is negative, your line should be going down from left to right. So I'm going to use the slope. So I'm going to go up 2 and over 3 to the left because it's negative. And up 2 over 1, 2, 3. So, and get more math, you have to plot the y-intercept, and then you can plot any other point, it doesn't matter. And they are solid. And I missed a little bit, that's okay. And it says less than, so I'm going to shade below. And I'm just using lines because I'm looking for where they both shade at the same time. But notice they have the same slope, so my second one has a y-intercept at 2 and the same slope. So I'm going to go up 2 and over 3 to the left, or down 2 and over 3 to the right. And again, it's a solid line. And it is greater than, so therefore I'm going to shade above. So are they ever going to share any points? No. So they will never share any points because one is above and one's below. Number 10. I have a y-intercept at 1 and -1. So 1 and -1. 1, I'm going up 2 and over 1. So slope is rise over run. So rising 2 and over 1. Up 2 over 1. And both lines are solid. So that's nice. And the first one is greater, so I'm going to shade above. And then the second one, they're both greater. It's at -1, and I'm going to go up 2 over 3. So 2/3 is going to be less steep than 2. So up 2 over 3, and if I was looking for a solution, I would be looking for where they intersect, which is going to be right there. And again, this is a solid line. And it is also going to be greater than, but I'm looking for where they would shade at the same time. So if I'm shading this line, I'll do it in yellow, as greater, where we have a hashtag where they're both shaded is the only region that you shade. So your solution is going to lie in this region. So we talked about when we were learning how to graph inequalities that our calculator will shade for us, but we do have to know if it's greater or less than. So y equals, and let's see, 2x plus 1 and 2 divided by 3x minus 1. So go to the left, and of course y'all got the new calculators. Greater, press enter, and you can change your triangles, change the type of line. And y'all can't see, let me get where you can see. There we go. So it needs to be a triangle above, and then press enter until it gives you the correct triangle, and then move out of it. And graph. So there's our first one and our second one. So it's the darker region that is your solution. And of course, y'all's calculator does it in color. But be prepared to use mine or yours in SAR. You can be given either one. So with my calculator, you have to watch to see which one graphs first. You can't just look at the color.